So this time, proceed na tayo anak sa key terms in probability. So the first key terms is experiment. So when we say experiment, girls, can you read?
An action or process that leads to an outcome, but the results cannot be precisely predicted.
Each repetition of...
Of an experiment is called a trial.
Okay, when we say experiment, the action or the process. Okay, sabi ko nga kanina, example niyan ay tossing a coin or flipping a coin. Pag ginawa mo yung activity na yon, that is an experiment. Ngayon, pag yung activity ay paulit-ulit mong ginawa, ang tawag na doon ay trial. Another experiment is rolling a die. O, pag nag-roll ka ng die, that is an experiment. And also we have drawing a card. So, pipili ka sa mga given na cards. Ano pa? Spinning a spinner. Tapos sa jar, mamimili ka ng marbles. That is an experiment. So, next, pag ginawa natin yung experiment, automatic magkakaroon tayo ngayon ng outcome. A possible result of a single trial of an experiment. O, for example, when you toss a coin, the two possible outcomes are head and tail. Ito yung possible outcome niya. Ngayon, pag ginawa mo yung activity, nag-toss ka ng coin, may lumabas, head, iyon na yung outcome. Pero ang possible outcome natin ay head or tail. Okay, another. When you roll a die, what are the possible outcome? How many possible outcomes do we have? 6. So, those are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pero ito ay padat, tama? Sa rolling a die. Okay, those are the possible outcomes when I roll or when you roll a die. And that is the outcome. Okay, next we have also the sample space. Okay, pag sinabi natin anak na sample space, set of all possible outcomes. So sa mathematics, pag set, gagamit na tayo anak ng braces or bracket. Yan, ilalagay mo sa loob nito yung all possible outcomes and gagamit tayo ng capital letter S. So sample space is denoted by capital letter S. So meaning, if you are flipping a coin once, head and tail are the possible outcomes. So susulat mo lang dito. So when I flip a coin, the two possible outcomes are head and tail. And that is an example of sample space na po. Bakit? Kasi po, ginamitan na natin ng capital letter S at yung all possible outcomes ay sinulat na po natin sa loob ng braces or bracket. O, another example. O, rolling a die once. So the possible outcomes are okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Anong tawag dito? Listing method. Event. So when we say event, anak, one or more outcomes of an experiment. Okay, when we say event, ito yung subset. Subset of a sample space. Ibig sabihin, yung event, dito natin kukunin sa ating possible outcome. It is not necessary to be the actual outcome of an experiment. Bakit? Kasi, kahit hindi natin anak gawin yung experiment, possible alam natin yung magiging result. For example, nag-toss ka ng coin. Dalawa lang naman yan, di ba? Either head or tail. So, kapag one trial lang, alam natin. Kapag head, 50% kasi 1 out of 2 na po iyon. Okay, so to find the probability of an event, we can use this formula. Number of favorable outcomes over the number of all possible outcomes. O yung tinatawag natin na sample space. Okay, in mathematics, we can use this N. Number of favorable outcome over number of sample space. Now, let's try an example. Rolling a die and getting 5. Or when you roll a die, what are the possible outcome? Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ito yung possible outcomes, anak. Then, getting a 5. Ilan lang yung 5 dito? O isa lang. So, to find the probability of an event, so just simply, probability of an event is equal to ilan yung 5? Isa lang. And then, over ilan lahat? Okay, therefore, 1 over 6 is the answer. The probability of an event. Next, we have rolling an even number on a die. O, ilan yung even number dyan? Okay, ano po ba even number? Divisible by 2. Ano po yun? 2, 4, 6. Ilan po yun? 3 over 6. Or just simply 1 half. Kung kayang i-lowest term, anak, lowest term your answer. And 1 half is equal to 50%. Meaning possible. Malaki yung chance na makakuha ka ng even number. Okay, so anong tawag dito? Ang tawag dito sa answer na to ay mga favorable outcomes. Okay.